Without counsel, the state is represented by Teresa Hyatt. Mr. Wallace, there's a report of a violation of your ILC. According to this, on November 20th, 2025, you did not report for an office visit and failed to keep in touch with probation. This is State of Ohio versus James Wallace, case 23CR41088. Mr. Wallace is present today. Without counsel, the state is represented by Teresa Hyatt. Mr. Wallace, there's a report of a violation of your ILC. According to this, on November 20th, 2025, you did not report for an office visit and failed to keep in touch with probation. Then on June 15, 2026, you self-admitted to the use of fentanyl, cocaine, methadone, benzodiazepines, and marijuana. And then dating back to November 17, 2025, you were unsuccessfully discharged from Lemire Healing Center, resulting in a warrant being issued for your arrest. You have a right to be represented by an attorney on this matter because your ILC could be revoked, and we would then go to sentencing. If you can't afford an attorney will be appointed to represent you. Would you like to have legal counsel?
No, it's okay, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, you do understand we will appoint an attorney if you can't afford it,
Yeah,
correct? Okay.
I understand that.
Do you admit or deny the violation?
I admit.
All right. Is there a statement from probation?
Yes, Your Honor. According to Officer Ruff, she is recommending to revoke his ILC and send him to a CBCF with aftercare and or sober living, and then monitor as well once he completes the CBCF. Her concern is that he has completed treatment in the past, but he ultimately consistently resorts to a relapse. So she's hoping removing him from the community, and he can, in negative peers, he can learn new coping skills to be able to maintain long-term sobriety.
All right. How many violations has he had?
This is his third.
Third, okay. Anything from the state?
Your Honor, we would concur with that. I mean, it's his third violation while on ILC. He's just not, this is not benefiting him anymore. We're asking, we're fine with community control with the CPCF and monitor, and just see if with the aftercare that helps him.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
No.
Okay. What do you think the problem is?
Running away from my problems. Instead of taking care of what I need to take care of, I just turned to getting high. I don't know. I've been doing it since a young age. I mean, that's no excuse. But I don't know. It's just a hard hole to get myself out of. Every time I get a couple months clean or something, that pressing thought of, I could have one more is always lingering in my mind, and ultimately, I mean, it's just one so many different times.
Addiction's a very tough thing to deal with. I can't really tell you, but there are people who have walked in your shoes who can tell you how to do this. You just have to do it. And the CBCF is not ideal in my mind, but if that's what it takes, then that's what's going to have to happen. So I'll revoke his ILC. I'm going to have to This is saying case not open. Ms. Hyatt, what is his actual charge?
It is 1 count of felony force CCW, 2 counts of a misdemeanor 1 having a weapon while intoxicated, and 1 count of a misdemeanor 1 violating underage rules, which I'd never really heard of that one before, but there you are.
Okay. On the felony 4, I find that he's amenable to community control. Place him on community control. The condition of community control is that he complete a community-based correctional facility and then all aftercare related. Upon release, he'll be on a monitor for 60 days, 30 days. He will be on a house arrest, but he can work and attend meetings and treatment. The second 30 days, he'll be on a curfew. Meetings and group support meetings and aftercare are definitely a part of this. You'll be required to do that. It's the only way you're going to be successful. And if you saw these guys come in here before you were called, that were both terminated successfully. They made the commitment. You know, you're capable of doing this. So your life is worth it. Just do it. Just make the commitment.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. On the 2 misdemeanors, are those M1s?
All 3 of them are M1s. Yeah, there's two of the weapons while intoxicated and 1 with this
Okay.
violating rules.
And what's his jail credit?
77 days.
Okay. 90 days on those 3 charges to run concurrent with the felony 4.
You want him to serve 90 days on the misdemeanors?
Concurrent with the felony 4.
Oh, if he is sentenced on
Right.
the felony. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
What that means is you're going to get credit for the time you're serving in a community-based correctional facility. You could be sentenced to 18 months if you don't successfully complete this. You'll get credit for 77 plus whatever time you spend in a community-based correctional facility. Also, you can't leave the state without permission of the court or your probation officer. You have to follow the rules of your supervision after your release. Okay, that's all.
Did you want him to pay costs, Judge?
I waive that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. This is case 23CR40677, State of Ohio versus Michael Galloway. Mr. Galloway is present today without counsel. The state is represented by Teresa Hyatt. Mr. Galloway, there's been a report of a community control violation. The allegation is on April 11, 2026, you committed the offense of failure to comply, felony 4, through Montgomery County Common Pleas Court. This could result in revocation of your community control, imposition of any sentence that was reserved. You have a right to be represented by an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney will be appointed to represent you. Would you like to have legal counsel?
Yes, because I was under the impression that my probation officer knew that before the sentencing that I just received last month.
Okay.
It's going to be a lot of Van Gundy.
Because I was under the impression, I was told as long as I didn't get in any more trouble, I was done here on the 23rd or whatever. But
Well, I'll give you a little tip here. I think you probably know this, but apparently people forget it when it's happening. Your jail phone calls are recorded and reviewed.
okay.
So you can get yourself in a lot deeper hole in those phone calls if you choose to do so. So we'll see you back here when you have an attorney, after you've met with your attorney. Okay, that's all.
Am I still released on the 23rd?
I'm sorry?
Am I still being released?
No.
So what's, I guess, my next step?
I'm going to talk to your probation officer. Your next step is to talk to your attorney.
Okay. Well, thank you.
State of Ohio versus Jeffrey Daniel Borden. Case number is 24CR41805. Mr. Borden is present today. Without counsel, the state is represented by Teresa Hyatt. This case is also a situation where Mr. Borden was placed on ILC, treatment in lieu of conviction. There's a recommendation for an early termination as a report from probation.
Yes, Your Honor, he was granted ILC on October 24th of 2024. He was ordered to complete substance use disorder treatment, theft course, and pay $3,592.75 in restitution. As of today, he has paid and completed all of his court orders. He has also obtained and maintained employment and has submitted to all negative drug tests. He does still owe a remaining court cost of $1,341, but the requirements for a termination have been fulfilled.
Okay, anything from the state?
Your Honor, just, there's no response from the victim in this case, which was LCNB, so we have no objection.
Okay, anything you want to say?
No, sir.
Okay, where do you work?
I work with men with substance use disorder. I'm the housing director. It's in Cincinnati. It's called Hestia House. So it's a sober living facility. So it's, yeah.
How long have you been sober?
I've been a year and a half,
Okay,
2
well,
months.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Considering the fact that you're actually helping other people and working in sober living, I'm going to waive those remaining costs.
Oh, thank you so much.
That way, this case can be dismissed. You can have it sealed by filing an application to seal the record. Once the entry is filed waiving the cost, then you can do that. You can do it right away, tomorrow probably, but maybe today.
Great.
Congratulations to you. It's
Thank you,
nice
sir.
for people to be able to see that if you actually apply yourself and make a commitment to sobriety, your life changes.
Definitely does.
Well,
Yeah.
good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.